How to get Cash App card on under 18. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get your Cash App card if you are under 18. So if you want to get your card as a teenager, you first have to go ahead and open up your Cash App, or you can ask your parents to do it. Just go ahead and open it up, and then from here you can tap on the profile icon. Once you get to the profile page, here at the bottom you'll find personal, favorite, linked banks, and then family. Tap on family, and here you can share a benefits with family. So it's going to be in sponsored account, so you can deposit money, spend it using a debit card, and exchange money with friends and family. You'll have visibility control, so the account sponsor will be able to see all of the activities and manage its settings. So if you are a teenager, tap on I'm 18, or if you're a parent, tap on invite 18. And once you have done that, you could just go ahead and enter your legal name and then tap on confirm, and the profile will be added and they'll be able to use it as well. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.